Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jan. Welcome to day 3 of 12 days of Christmas. If you want to see how I got this beautiful cut crease, keep on watching. But first, subscribe. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is day 3 of 12 days. Just give it up for yourself if you've been with us since day 1. If you hear the loud fan in the background, that's my computer processing day 2 because every time I try to process it, it crashes. Not really sure why, because the video is not that long. But if you're wondering why I uploaded late, that is why, and I actually need to go look at that right now. So for today's look, we're going icy, you know, Frosty the Snowman. Bert is cold in here. Bert, no Gucci. And I'm thinking we're gonna do some cut crease action because I haven't done those in a while. We'll see. You know, we'll see. You already know we about to prime with Fenty. And we're going in with my fave, Patricia Bright and Makeup Revolution. First, I'm gonna go into this blue here called Nobu. These are the 3 we're gonna be using today. And this is the Morphe MB23. This is one of my faves. It's this one, and then there's one that's like a little more round at the top. Love it. We're just gonna focus. I'm getting tongue-tied. We're gonna focus this on the outer edge and on the inner corner. That's wrong. We're gonna focus this on the outer edge and in the crease since we're doing cut crease today. Now I'm going to take this tighter brush, this is the Luxie 231, and going in with that same color a little further in my crease. I will now be blending out the edges of this look with this light blue here and this blending brush by Elizabeth Mott. I'm now going into Model and buffing out those edges even more. Okay, so like now it's time to cut the crease. But I plan on using, like, I want white on my lid. That's what I want, Frosty the Snowman. But I hate, okay, hate is a mean word. I dislike highly the white eyeshadow base that I have. It's her. Next white eyeshadow base that back when I was getting into makeup, everybody was like, oh my gosh, this is the greatest thing ever, you have to get this. This is hot fire trash. I hate this. Ugh, I dislike this a lot. Ugh. But it's white and I don't have anything else, so we're gonna use it. We're gonna suck it up because we don't have any other option. Part of me just wants to cut the crease with my Fenty Beauty primer, because it's sticky enough where when I put a white shadow on it, like when I put the shimmer shadow on it, it will show up. Let's test it on our hand. Okay, this is the Fenty primer. This is the white base, so obviously I should use a white base, but like, you know. All right, to cut my crease today, I'm going to be using the Morphe M224. And this is the NYX white eyeshadow base. I think that's what it's called. Yep. It's eyeshadow base in the shade white, which I don't understand why this is made for eyeshadows. It's just, it's too creamy. Like, it don't do what it need to do. I cut half of the crease. I'm not really a fan of how far over I took this, but I'm gonna do a line of glitter right there that's like leading the cut crease, so it really doesn't matter. And towards the end, I'm just gonna blend it out so that it's easier to blend in with the shadows. I'm gonna go to the other eye and be right back. All right, I'm back with both creases cut, and now I'm gonna put in a little bit of this eyeshadow primer by Fenty on top of it, just because I really want this white to pop. Now, on top of where I cut my crease, I'm going in with the shade Shimmering. Now that both creases are cut, I'm gonna go back into the tapered brush that I had and start blending this blue back into the crease. Okay, so now I want to add glitter to this. Originally, I was going to do white glitter all over the lid, but I don't think that's going to give me like the pop or definition that I want to see. So I'm going to take this monochrome silver glitter by NYX and this chunky blue glitter that I have. Kind of do a little bit of back and forth nose directly on my crease and just do glitter there. I'm going to be priming with the NYX glitter primer, of course. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do thin layer of the chunky blue and then go on top of that with the silver. Yeah. finished putting glitter on both eyes, and I actually messed with it. Like at first I was a little you know, but I actually kind of like it. And I really think this look would look good with liner. So I think we're gonna try some. I'm really bad at wings, if you guys didn't know. I don't think we're gonna wing it. I think we're just gonna do like a stop at the inner corner. If I could find the freaking liner. For liner today, we're gonna be using Starlux Pro Luxe Pen Artist Edition. I got this in an Ipsy, and it's so cool because it has a star stamp on the end. Look, super cute. But yeah, now I'm going to do a little liner. Let's hope I don't. If I mess this up, I'm gonna be so sad. Now that I've kind of drawn the liner that I want, I'm gonna go in with a liquid liner by NYX because I like that finish a lot better. Now I'm going to go in with, this is a black eyeliner by Dose Cosmetics. And I'm gonna do black on the outside, but I'm gonna blend that up so that this eyeliner blends into the blue. I'm gonna go do the liner on my other eye and be right back. I just finished liner on both eyes, so I'm now gonna go do my complexion makeup and be right back. All right, we're back with our face done. It's a lot of brush today, but I just feel like it did what it needed to do. If you disagree, keep it there though. We're now going in our waterline with, say yes, Wet n Wild black eyeliner. I really want a dramatic under eye for this look. Like, I want a lot. So I'm going into this blue with my flat brush again, and we're gonna pack that in first, and then we're gonna smudge and smudge and smudge so we can't smudge no more. I'm now taking that brush that I took to smudge this liner on the corner and going into the light blue that we used and smoking out this blue. I love this. I'm gonna go put on my lashes and be right back. And not rock Kentucky blue on the nose. You wanna know what's really funny is that as extravagant as I just did this makeup, this is how I used to do my makeup to go to basketball games. To sit in the sands and get sweaty. Like, yeah. So off camera I put my lashes on. The name of these lashes, don't really know, but that one's not on too good, so we're gonna back up. Yeah, don't know the brand, the name, any of that, but I do know that I got them from Bundles and Wigs in Lexington, Kentucky. So if you're there, maybe you see them. It was in like red, white, and black packaging, I think. They was no more than $6. I don't pay that much for lashes, so yeah. I put some mascara on my bottom lash line, which I need a new mascara for my bottom lashes because I put a bunch of coats of this one on and it still didn't do what it needed to do. Like, and I have decent length on my bottom lash, so like I need something that's gonna make it, you know, but yes, that pretty much concludes day 3 of 12 days. I hope you guys liked it. I really like this look. If you like this one, you'll probably like my purple cut crease look that I did a long time ago. It was the first look I did. I didn't do a lip, but I'm just gonna put a clear gloss on anyways. You guys don't need to see that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to join the Jan fam. Like, we got lots of stuff coming. We're only on day 3 of 12, you know. You want to hit that bell so you can get notifications when we post the rest.